got a table. Here. Yep.
Just that loose?
Be careful.
Damn.
I fell further down than you did. I slid with the shovel and just fell down.
What's up, everybody? This is the Demonetized YouTube channel.
Cleaned up the range.
Yeah, look at her. She actually looks pretty well groomed versus last time where it looked like a 40-year-old virgin. The idea is to make this area a rainbow shape shooting range, so then people can shoot handguns over here, mid-range rifles here, and then long range down the canyon. My goodness. It's a beautiful new world, man.
Absolutely stunning.
So as you've seen from our last video, this is where we're having all the shenanigans.
We
right
got a
over here.
table.
Yeah, the table is now here, which is fantastic considering I complained about it 7-8 times in that video. So, but today it wasn't as foggy and miserable looking, but the flies are absolutely to death. How about we walk over to your side of the range where you've been plunking away?
Pistol range is still shit.
We still need to pick up the squirrel that's currently right there.
Is it a dead squirrel?
No, it's the squirrel target.
Oh, as you can see, I set up the target again. And hopefully, it won't fall.
Hopefully this time it won't fall, yes.
It'll fall.
It will, yeah, it'll probably end up falling.
So now we have our tiny little sign here. Can really only shoot that with 22, but.
Not true.
Oh no, you can shoot a 9mm too.
Not true.
But all the 5.56 just went through it.
Well, yeah, but I mean, we can still just get new stuff.
Oh, that's true. I know, look at all the space now though.
Dude, it's funny because it's like last time when we were standing here, like it looked like the shooting range was just this tiny little plateau right here. And then now it's all the way down to like where this little valley is. So we could do maybe a range specific kind of walk where you go and engage targets on each side and we number them off randomly.
Where's this squirrel that you're talking of? Oh, it's right there.
Oh, maybe it's not a squirrel. I'm thinking of a different target. Yeah, I'm thinking of a different target. Not a squirrel.
Not a squirrel.
I used to have a squirrel down here. Yeah, it's been chewed up.
What were people shooting with that?
5.56.
Yeah, I can see that.
People were blowing holes through it, just like Mexican food.
Take a walk with me, come on.
Where we're thinking just like somewhere near here.
This is super loose.
Footloose?
Footloose, yeah. Yep.
Just that loose?
Be careful.
I only care about my camera.
Yeah, but still, that's a fall. That's a far fall.
Damn.
I fell further down than you did. I slid with the shovel and just fell down.
Part of me wants to actually climb down there right now, just to get like a visual. Here,
right here.
Pop that thing in there, and then I want you to do a visual of this.
That works.
Worked one of those before, right?
No.
Yeah, you touched one of those?
Yeah, I've touched a lot of things.
You've touched a lot of joysticks on people and computers, huh?
Jesus.
It's a ways of a drop from right here, but it's a cool backstop. And then we can continue going even higher from here. Ain't no bullets going anywhere they're not supposed to go.
Nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Being filmed, multiple angles, not just POV.
Not just POV.
Just whatever you do, please don't shoot my camera. But isn't this
I'd be
cool?
a pretty bad shot if I shot that camera.
Yeah, yeah, well, I mean, if it just... So how do we do this?
I don't know.
This is really weird. Maybe I'll go like this, just to not flag your foot. Well, this is part 2 to the shooting range itself, as our second video will be edited and coming out to you right now. And
Cleaned it up.
yeah, we cleaned it up quite a bit. It doesn't look like we're just standing in the middle of the woods anymore. So as you follow along with us, we did a lot of tractor work, and he set up the only targets we do have here at the shooting range and found one we actually lost. And ironically call a squirrel when it's nowhere near a squirrel. But regardless of that, we'll keep you posted on what we're doing next and what targets we'll be setting up, and we'll set up a Amazon wish list.
I was gonna say, we're gonna hit up our local Amazon.
Yeah, it's actually pretty local.
It is pretty local.
Yeah, Bezos has been trying to move into town actually.
Backyard Bezos.
That's a wrap.
Demonetized.
Demonetized, that's a wrap.